Okay, let's continue with our factorization. Now, continuing from number 3, we have 4x squared minus y squared. As we can all see that this is a difference of two squares, because 4 is a perfect number, x squared is also a perfect square, y squared perfect square. So yeah, so starting with number 3, we have 4x squared minus y squared. Here must have two set of brackets. Then we know that the square root of 4 is 2, x squared is x, minus square root of y squared is y. Then 2x, then in the second bracket to have positive instead of negative. Then the square root of y squared is y. Yeah, that's it for the difference of two squares for number 3. This is what is expected from you. Then continuing to number 4, we have 8x cubed minus y cubed. Okay, now we have difference of two cubes. Remember, for cubes we have both difference and sum of two cubes, but we only have difference of two squares for squares. We have no sum of two. We can't factorize the sum of two squares. So here must have a set of brackets, smaller one and the bigger one. So the first term here, you just take a cubic root of the first term. It's gonna be 2x. Then the sign here remains the sign that we have in our expression. Then here also take a cubic root, gonna be having y here. Then for the first term in the bigger bracket, you square your first term in your smaller bracket. This is gonna be 4x squared. Then for the last term, you square your second term in your smaller bracket. We have negative y, so here we'll be having positive y squared. Then for the middle term now, in the bracket must have 3 terms in the bigger bracket. For the middle term, you multiply your terms in your smaller bracket. 2x times negative y, it's 2x multiplied by negative y. We have negative 2xy. Then take the opposite of this sign. So here we'll have positive 2xy. Hope we all understand. So yeah, then let's focus on number 5. For number 5, we have 27 a cubed plus 64 a cubed. Okay, this is the sum of two cubes. So firstly, set of two brackets, smaller one and bigger one. What do we do? How do we get the first term? We take the cubic root, which is 3a. Cubic root of 27 is 3 of a cubed, it's a. And then the sign remains the same. Cubic root of 64, yes, it should be 4. So we have 4 here. Then of b cubed, it's b. Then to get the first term, you square the first term in a smaller bracket, 9a squared. To get the last term, you square the second term in your smaller bracket, 16b squared. Positive, yeah, it's positive. Then to get the middle term, what do? You multiply your terms in a smaller bracket, 3a by positive 4b. What do we get? We have 12ab, positive 12ab. So here we have positive, therefore we take the opposite of that sign, gonna be negative here. 12 AB. I hope we all understand. Yeah, in the next video I'll be doing the factorization of trinomials. Thank you.